I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome back to my channel where I explore some of the most beautiful places on Earth. In this video, I take you on a walking tour of the breathtaking beaches of Maragogi, Brazil. This is one of my favorite places in Brazil, and I'm excited to share it with you. First things first, if you're new here, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. And don't forget to write a comment under the video to let me know your thoughts. I put on my snorkel gear and jump into the water to explore the reefs and the marine life.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
It's like swimming in an aquarium, and I am amazed by the colorful fish and the coral formations. I walk further along the beach, and I see a small island in the distance. It's called Gales, and it's one of the most popular attractions in Maragogi. It's a protected area with stunning coral reefs, and it's only accessible during low tide. I reach Gales, and I am in awe of its natural beauty. The water is shallow and clear, and I can see the coral reefs and the marine life below. I spend some time swimming and snorkeling in the area, and it's one of the most memorable experiences of my life. As the sun sets, I make my way back to the beach, and I am greeted by the most stunning sunset I have ever seen. The colors of the sky are breathtaking, and it's the perfect end to an incredible day. I hope you enjoyed this walking tour of Maragogi's beaches, and if you ever get the chance to visit, I highly recommend it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. And if you have any questions or comments, please write them down below.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!